Guys, what is going on today? As you can see, we got a brand new haircut right now. I just saw my man Anthony here in Salt Lake City, Utah, and he did an absolutely fantastic job. Totally changed my look and really did just a fantastic job. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification down below. This video is super special. And it's a big thank you to every single one of you. We have finally hit 3,000 subscribers and we did it in under a year. I never even thought that something like that would be possible, but we did it. I wanted to show you guys the impact that we've been making and where we're kind of going in the future. It's a short video, but I really want each one of you to comment at the end of this video because I'm going to ask you a very specific question or two that I want your feedback and information on. Guys, one of my goals at the beginning of this year was to create the most prolific YouTube channel about hair loss and hair systems, specifically hair systems at first. Now, when we first started out, there was a channel, this is the hair experience, my hair experience, that was bringing in per month around 120,000 views per month. Over the past couple months, this channel has been doing more around 50-ish thousand views per month. Guys, our views over the past couple months have been 60,000, 58,000, 74,000. November, we saw it dip down to 53,000 because I moved and I missed about a week's worth of content. But we are now the most prolific hair system specific community on YouTube, besides Toupees Online, which is actually New Lace CU's YouTube channel. But as far as like an individual, we're the most prolific. We're the content generators. We're putting out content every other day, and that is amazing. And we're growing so fast. In this next year, I really hope that we can actually crack 100,000 subscribers. I think it's incredibly ambitious, and I don't even know if it's possible, but I didn't think it was going to be possible to become the most prolific and have the most views on YouTube per month inside of this space within a year, and we did it. So I'm setting that as like one of the future goals for this channel. And where we're going. Now, let's get into what's coming next on this channel and some of the things that I really need your help on. I really want to continue to expand the content on this channel. Hair loss is great, but specifically hair systems. But what do we want to see as a community? What do we want to talk about? Do we want to talk about personal development as men? Talk about psychology, mindset stuff? Do we want to talk about money? Do we want to be talking about exercise? Do we want to be talking about working out? Do we want to be talking about men's sexual health? Do we want, like, we could talk about so many things, and they're all so on point with what this channel is about, like what I'm about, what I'm trying to give back to people. And remember, this channel is about first destigmatizing hair loss, but number two, it's about making better men, producing better men, and creating community about being better men. So anything that falls under that realm, guys, let me know. What's your thoughts? What would you love to see? What's something that would get you to click on these videos and be a part of that community? Not just to watch, but to comment, to actually come on the channel, do interviews, to talk about things that matter to you. What does that look like? Help me help you, right? I'm all committed to you guys and producing the best content, the quality of the content, more content, all this stuff in this next phase. Guys, there's also some really exciting projects that are coming down the pipeline that I will be informing you about in the next month or two that involve other organizations that are really trying to push forward destigmatizing hair loss across the world. I think it's going to be a really amazing year, and I'm just so excited that you all have been on this journey with me and you have decided that you're committed to this mission and making something that is better than what's currently out there as far as the content, information, all of this stuff. And I really hope we get into products and producing better products. I really want to do that. Guys, thank you so much to you, but also, guys, let's give a shout out to all of the community that's been developing this year. We see Chris L. He actually came out before I did in terms of making hair system videos by a couple months. Chris L., myself, Hair System Talk, Hair System DIY. We have we have so many different channels, and I apologize if I didn't just mention yours right now. We have so many different channels that are actually producing content about this, and that excites me so much because I don't look at this as a competitive field. I look at this as a collaborative field. The more content we all make together, the better it is for men in general. And also all of those channels are going to grow. If you have a story that you want to share, I 100% want to continue doing hair system stories, hair loss stories, hair transplant stories, everything. I don't want to direct people strictly to hair systems. I want to direct men towards destigmatizing hair loss and becoming a better man, whatever that means. So guys, I'm really fired up. I'm really passionate. We're coming up on that year mark, and I this has been a tough year for a lot of people, and I didn't think that we were really going to do this. I didn't know if I was going to have it in me to do a video every other day for a year, and now we're doing that. So guys, thank you so much. This is really your accomplishment. This is you doing it. We have reached over 400,000 people, 400,000 video views in under a year. You know what that means? That means that potentially over 400,000 men's lives have changed. And to me, that just blows my mind. That type of impact, that after a year, we're already doing that. Can you imagine what's going to happen after 5 years, after 10 years? That's exciting stuff. And I hope that you'll be on the journey with me as we continue to go through this together. Thank you guys so much. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and we will see you soon.